Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best smart lighting on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance. Signify, formerly known as Philips, is a pioneering brand in the smart lighting market, backed by years of experience and innovation. Their commitment to staying at the forefront of the industry is evident in their continuous improvements and additions. With the recent introduction of Bluetooth support, they've made it even more accessible to control and enjoy their Philips Hue lighting ecosystem. One notable advantage of their ecosystem is its exceptional depth and variety. Signify offers an extensive range of smart bulbs in various shapes and sizes to cater to diverse lighting needs. Whether it's for indoor lighting, lighting fixtures, or landscape lighting, Philips Hue has options that suit every application. Additionally, while Bluetooth support is a great addition for many users, Signify's Philips Hue Bridge, priced at $60, remains an essential component for advanced smart home setups and comprehensive control over the ecosystem. Number 2. Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus is an excellent choice for enhancing the ambience in various indoor areas, such as kitchen counters and stairways. What sets it apart is its seamless integration into the expansive Philips Hue ecosystem. Philips Hue indeed offers one of the most comprehensive smart lighting solutions available, ensuring compatibility and versatility across various applications. However, it's essential to note that while the Philips Hue ecosystem is unmatched in terms of features and quality, it often comes at a higher price point compared to other smart lighting alternatives. So, while you may be investing more in Hue products, you're also getting access to a top-tier smart lighting experience. Number 3. TP-Link Kasa Smart Light Strip. The TP-Link Light Strip stands out by offering an unexpectedly rich set of features for its price point. What sets it apart is the inclusion of animation sequences, a feature not found even in our top pick. However, in terms of build quality and durability, the Philips Hue product excels, allowing you to extend the strip with additional segments. The most compelling aspect of the TP-Link Light Strip is its affordability. It manages to provide a wide range of functionalities while being a budget-friendly choice, making it a notable option for those who want to enhance their smart lighting setup without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to add accents to various indoor areas or explore creative lighting effects, the TP-Link Light Strip is a cost-effective choice in the smart lighting market. Number 4. Cree Lighting Connected Max Smart LED. The budget-friendly Cree Lighting Connected Max Smart Bulb offers an impressive range of lighting options, with both tunable white and full color capabilities. While it might exhibit occasional command stuttering, the affordability and versatility make it an appealing choice for those looking to enhance their smart lighting setup. Cree Lighting's Connected Max line extends beyond just smart bulbs, encompassing various form factors, including BR30, PAR38, vintage filament, tape lighting, and retrofit downlights, providing a comprehensive solution for different lighting needs. Although it's not compatible with HomeKit, the bulb does integrate with Siri shortcuts, adding voice control to its array of features. Number 5. Philips Hue Lily. Signify's Philips Hue offers the most extensive range of outdoor and landscape LED lighting solutions, making it a top choice for outdoor lighting needs. The product line includes a variety of options, such as the Lily Spotlight, Lily XL Spotlight, Kala Bollard Light, Iconic Outdoor Pedestal, Amaranth Linear Outdoor Light, and an impressive selection of 9-wall or ceiling mount outdoor lights, alongside outdoor LED light strips. Signify's commitment to diversity and its focus on high-quality design and construction for these luminaires justifies the higher price point associated with Philips Hue products, ensuring customers get reliable, durable, and versatile outdoor lighting solutions to suit their preferences and needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.